How to fix Messenger story not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Messenger story not showing. So if you go to your Messenger app, there on the bottom side of the screen, you can see 4 different options and the last one being stories. So if you tap on it, you can see all of the stories your friends have posted. But if in your case you don't see story or your stories are not showing up, there may be few different reasons as to why your problem is occurring. So the first one being your internet connection. So if you are on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, but if you are on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi and then try loading your stories once again. But if it still doesn't work, it might be that your Messenger is having a bug or that your Messenger is not up to date. So in order to fix the problem, go to your Play Store or App Store and then in the search bar type in Messenger. Now as you can see, it currently says open, meaning my app is already up to date, but if yours says update, it means that your app is not up to date and that it needs to be updated. So try updating your Messenger app and then go to your stories option once again, and if it shows up, that's great. But if it still doesn't show up, what you can do as a last resort is go to your settings. After that, go to apps and notifications and now go to app info. Now locate Messenger and then go to storage and cache. Now try clearing both your cache memory as well as the entire storage of your Messenger app. That way you'll have to go to your Messenger app once again and then log into your account, and now once you try viewing your Messenger stories, they will surely show up. So that is basically how you fix Messenger story not showing or loading on your device. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.